Good morning to you all.
Good morning.
How are you again?
Fine.
I'm fine, thank you. But I'm not having an exam today. You are having exams. Don't worry about the exams. Think nothing of that. Okay? Be with the grammar now. Can you give me a sentence in English? Any sentence. Think of a sentence. Yeah? I am an Arab girl. Thank you very much. I am. The sentence included I am, okay, Arab girl. She started with I. She started with I. What part of speech is I?
Pronoun.
Okay. It is a pronoun. It is a subject. Good. It is a subject. It is a pronoun. Now, pronouns are used greatly in making the English sentence. They are highly needed in forming the sentence. What are the pronouns? What are the types of the pronouns? How do we use the pronouns? This is what we are going to talk about. But first, we begin Let's begin by this exercise. Read the first sentence, please.
My friends and I ordered Indian food at the restaurant. I wasn't very hungry, but I ate most of them.
I ate most of them. We ordered what? Food. Okay. And I wasn't very hungry, but I ate most of them. What do you think of the sentence? Most of it. Good. Why it, not them? Because it is a non-count noun. For the non-count nouns, we use what? Singular verb. Very good. We say food is, right? And use is. Okay, thank you. So this should be what? This should be, instead of it, of them, we say it. Good. Would you read the other sentence, please? Yeah.
When we were in school, my sister and me used to play tennis after school every day.
Okay. My sister and I. Thank you. My sister and I. Good. Read the other sentence. Yes, please.
If you want to pass your exams, you had better study very hard for it and for them.
Okay. So, exams. Exams. Where is that? This sentence. For it. Instead of it, it refers to what? Exams. So we have to say what? For they or them? Them. Why them, not they? It is object. Object. What type of object? Look, after the preposition, it is the object of the preposition. It is the object of the preposition. Thank you. For them. Your, yeah. What's that? Okay, very good. Your exam. Your exam. What type of pronoun is your? What do we call it? My pen, your pen, his pen, her pen. Possessive pronoun. Thank you very much. Now look at the possessive pronoun. It is followed by what? Noun. By a noun. Okay? By a noun. Now, again, go on. Yes, please.
Bottoms spends most of his time, most of its time in the water, rivers and lakes. It's without apostrophe. It's.
Okay, this is what? Without apostrophe. Like that? It's. So, what's the difference between this word and this word? I have, look, it's and it's the same pronunciation. What's the difference between them? Yeah. It is, or good. It has. It is or it has. Good. And without apostrophe? Okay, thank you. Good. Next one, please. Next one, yeah.
Afterward, Mr. Gray asked to speak to Mona and me about the company's new policies. He explains it to us and asked for our opinion.
Okay, now again. So where are the errors?
Asked to Mona and me.
And me, good. Me. Now why me, not I? Huh. Speak to Mona. Object of the preposition. Now, so if this is an object, okay, Mona, this should also be what? Object. I is a subject pronoun, right? It is used as a subject. Yes, please. Who's the speaker? Okay, for. Okay, our. So we don't need opinions, right? We say for ours. This is, or for our opinions. Good. This is ours, this is yours, this is his, and this is theirs, and so on. Thank you. And finally, number 6. Yes?
My friends asked to borrow my car because theirs was in the garage for repairs. Theirs, بتصير it was.
Because just why?
Car is singular.
But we are not talking about the cars. The pronoun refers to what? What does the pronoun refer to again? Okay, now, their what? Okay, my friends, okay? My friends. So, one speaker. Who's the speaker? Yeah? Yeah?
Because their car was in the...
Okay, their
Always say
car.
this without apostrophe.
That's right, without apostrophe. Without apostrophe. Is that okay? She couldn't get it. Now we are talking, look, the pronoun, this is called, it refers to the noun, this noun. This is called the antecedent. Antecedent. Now it refers to what? Does it refer to the car or to the my friend? Because there what? My friends, if you want to write a word instead of the pronoun, what shall you write?
My friend.
Okay. So, my friends, because my friends ask, okay, to borrow my car because theirs was. So there refers to my friends. Now there's, who can use this word in a sentence? Look. Who can use it with apostrophe in a sentence? Yeah?
There's a laptop in the table.
Very good. There is a laptop on the table. There is a laptop on the table. Now let's start talking about pronouns. Personal pronouns. They are divided into what? Subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive pronouns, possessive adjective pronouns. Now let's start by the first group. I live in Gaza. Where is the subject? I. Good. Use you in a similar sentence. Yeah? You are a teacher. Where is the subject? You. Good. Use she in a sentence. Yeah?
She's a good girl.
She's a good girl. Thank you. Where is the subject? She. He. Yeah? He's a student. Good. Where is the subject? He. Use it in a sentence. It is a nice cat. Where is the subject? Okay, thank you. Now, so these, they are called what? Subject pronouns, because they are used as the subject of the sentence, or they refer to the subject. They refer to the subject. Fatma is a good student. She is my sister. She is my sister. She refers to what? To Fatma. So they can be used as a subject or they can refer to the subject. Now what about the other group? Me.
My little sister respect me.
Okay, my little sister respects me. Very good. Now, she respects me. Good. This is the object. Thank you. Yeah.
I'll give you a gift.
I'll give you. I'll give you. Good. That's right. Thank you. Yeah.
Exams make me nervous.
Again.
Exams make me nervous.
Okay, this is a good example. Okay, exams make me. Okay, make me nervous. Good, thank you. Now, you. What about you? Can you use it as a sentence as an object?
I will.
Makes me. She said me. We want you.
No, she says I'll give you a present.
A present. You are right. That's right. Hair. Yeah.
All the audience looking at her.
At her. Now looking at her. Look at her. Hair is preceded by what? At. Okay. So it is we call it object of the preposition. We have two types of object. This is an object. Okay. But if I say for me, for example, it will be the object of the preposition. Okay. Now if you say I saw her yesterday. I saw her yesterday. I saw you. I saw her. I saw him. Okay? Yesterday. Where is the object? Okay, thank you. Now, what about the other group? Possessive pronouns.
Yes.
Yes, please.
Mine. This book is mine.
Again.
Mine. This book is mine.
Thank you. This book is mine. Very good. This book is mine. Look. Can I or shall I use a noun or a word after this pronoun? No, I cannot use. Okay? Is mine. Yeah, use yours in a sentence. Yeah.
This wallet is yours.
Yeah, this wallet is yours. Good. Where is it? Give it to me. Okay? This wallet is yours. Thank you. The other one, hairs. Yes, please. Use. Okay. Now we want this one. Yeah?
This laptop is hers.
This laptop is hers. Okay? Okay, Fatma is my sister. This laptop is hers. Okay? Is hers. It is for her. Is his. And so on. And the last group again, possessive adjective. Now, so we have possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. Okay. Yes, please. This is my book. Look, good. This is my book. Now, what's the difference between the first group and the second group? Look, is mine and my book. Who can give me the difference? Yeah?
This is my book,
Followed by a noun.
But mine not
Cannot be followed by a noun. So, a possessive adjective should always be followed by what?
No.
A noun. Adjectives like that. Can I say this is a red, this is a beautiful, for example? No. This is a beautiful flower. Okay? It is a cold, what? Has no meaning, right? It is a cold weather. It is a nice story. And so on. It is an easy what? Easy exam. And so on. You know? So again, adjectives should be followed by nouns. And these also pronouns should be followed by nouns. So we say this is my book, your book, his book, her book, and so on. Now, this group, we used what?
Singular.
Yeah. The pronouns are all in the singular form. Let's come to the plural Okay, the same thing. Instead of saying I, yeah,
We are studying English.
we are studying English grammar now. Very good. We are studying English grammar. You. Yeah.
You should take care of yourself.
You should take care of yourself. Thank you. I'll do. Good. Yeah.
They are playing football.
They are playing football. Good. Thank you very much. Okay. Now us. Us. Yeah.
The teacher told us.
Okay. The teacher told us a story about. Okay. Now you. They visited us. They visited us. We are visiting.
I will visit you tomorrow.
I will visit you tomorrow. Good. Now them.
I'll give them an advice. I'll give them advice.
I'll give them some advice. Thank you. Now this car is ours. Okay. This villa is yours. Okay. This laptop is theirs. Okay. And we say this is our house. This is our university. This is your book. And this is their house, their book, and so on. So, what do we come out from these pronouns? Yes, can you talk? Can you say something about these pronouns? Yeah.
Personal pronouns, we have 4 groups for it: subject, object, possessive, and possessive pronoun and possessive adjectives. We use it to even singular or plural.
Good, thank you. Now, possessive pronouns and adjectives, what's the main difference between them? What's the main difference, yeah, Khadija?
Possessive adjective followed by a noun.
Are followed, should be followed by a noun.
But possessive pronouns you cannot.
Okay, good. Now look at this sentence. I read a book. It was good. I read a book. It was good. It refers to what? The book. Book is called antecedent. Book is called antecedent. Now, what type of pronoun is it?
Singular.
Singular. Subject. Okay. It refers to the subject. Look, I read some books. They were good. They were good. Now, a pronoun is used instead of what? Instead of repeating. I read some books. The books were. So I don't repeat. Repetition should be avoided in writing. You know?
Yes.
Now, I use a pronoun instead of the noun. It can be singular, can be plural, and it has different types as we saw before some minutes. Now, in the first sentence, we use a singular pronoun to refer to the singular noun. And in the second sentence, yeah, plural to refer to the plural. Okay, thank you. Now, book and books. Yeah, book and books. They are called antecedents. Antecedents. This is Fatma. She is my sister. Fatma is what? Antecedent. Now, read this point, please.
A singular pronoun is used to refer to a singular noun as in A. A plural noun is used to refer to a plural noun as in B.
Thank you. Singular to singular. Plural to plural. I think this is clear, right? No questions? Good. Now look. I like tea. Now when I say Fatma is my sister, Huda is my sister, I stated the subject clearly. Okay? When I say Huda is my sister, she is living there. She refers to Huda. So I mentioned her name. Okay? So you can understand. what does she refer to? But when I begin with the pronoun, I like tea, you like tea, I like tea, you like tea. Now, is the antecedent, now I refers to what?
Speaker.
The speaker. Very good. Thank you very much. And you refers to what? The person you are talking to. The person you are talking to. Now, in the previous sentences, when I say this is a book, okay, it is easy. For example, it refers to the book. It refers to the antecedent. The antecedent is what? Clear. Yes, is mentioned clearly. You can understand it from the sentence. You can read it in the sentence. But now I refers to, where is the antecedent? It is not mentioned, but can be understood. You know, I am talking about myself. Okay, you, I'm addressing some people I'm speaking to. So the antecedent here can be understood. Is not mentioned clearly. Okay, so I, the speaker, do you like tea, to the one I'm speaking to. Okay. Now, look at the sentence. Yes, read please. Read the sentence.
Jihad has a car. He drives to work.
Okay. He drives to work. Now, Jihad has a car. He drives to work. Where is the subject in this sentence? Jihad. Where is the object? A car. Now, he drives to work. What does he refer? Where is the antecedent? Jihad. Now, this is what? A subject. This is a subject. Okay? Now, in the other sentence, this is a subject. So, this pronoun, a subject pronoun, is used as a subject, right? Or it also refers to a subject. Can you give me an example like that? Give me an example. Yeah?
Marwa is absent. She has a wedding.
Marwa is absent. She has a wedding. Very good. Thank you. Marwa is, she has. No, so she refers to Marwa. That's nice. Now, look at the other sentence. Jihad works in my office. Jihad, where is the object?
There is no.
Jihad works in my office. I know him. I know him. Him refers to what? To Jihad. Okay? Him refers to, this is the object of what? Of the verb. This is the object of the verb. I know him. Okay? But in this sentence, I talk to him every day. I talk to him. Him is an object pronoun. In this sentence, after the preposition, it is called what? Object of the preposition. So we have two types of objects. Object of the verb and object of the preposition. The object of the verb is mentioned, as you see, after the verb, and the object of the preposition is mentioned after the preposition. Look at this sentence. Would you read, please? Read the sentence.
That book is hers.
Okay, that book is hers. Okay, good. Go on.
Yours is over there.
Okay, yours is over there. Thank you. Now, hers and yours. We call them what? Or they are called what? Possessive pronouns. Thank you. Yeah. Are not followed by what? A noun. They should not be followed by a noun. If you look at this sentence, shall I use a noun after this one? No. Shall I use a noun here? No, it is not used. So again, these pronouns are not followed immediately by a noun. They stand alone. Don't say that book is hers. Okay? Don't say this is hers, you know. That book is, yours is over there. Hers should be written like that. Okay, without apostrophe. Very good. Some students are fond of writing the apostrophe. Just they write apostrophe here and apostrophe there. You know, apostrophe is good when needed. If you need it, write it. If it is not needed, you should avoid it, okay? So in this case, it is not needed in these pronouns. We say hers without apostrophe and yours without apostrophe. Now, look, her book, your book. What type of pronouns are these? Her and your. Possessive adjectives. Okay. Can they stand alone? No. They are like the adjectives. They cannot stand alone. They should be followed by what? By nouns. Good. Now, read the sentence, please.
A bird uses its wings to fly.
Yeah, a bird uses its wings to fly. Its wings. What type of pronoun is its? Okay. Now, shall we use an apostrophe here? No. It is not accepted to write it with apostrophe. This is incorrect, okay? With apostrophe, it is not accepted. Now, look at this sentence. It's been in business since 1933. It's been. It has been. It has been. So, again, it has an apostrophe. Or, you know, so again, as we said, look, it's called today. It's called today. The apostrophe is used with it in two cases. In abbreviations, right? Now, is abbreviated there. Instead of writing it is, we say it's, to show that something is omitted. We don't write a full is, a complete is. So instead of writing it is, okay, we omit a part of the verb is and write apostrophe to show that there is omission. Something is deleted. And the other one, instead of writing it has, okay, we write the apostrophe. That's right. Okay. And you know, this is an area of error. Even the native speakers make some errors in this area. Look at this exercise. The first sentence. Identify the personal pronouns and their antecedents. Who wants to come to the board? Come, please.
Most monkeys don't like water, but they can swim well when they have to.
Okay.
Monkeys, they have.
They. Okay, now where is the pronoun and where is the antecedent? No, just underline, just write, draw a circle around the antecedent. Draw a circle and underline the pronoun. Okay, this is the antecedent, good. And the pronouns, thank you. Next one, come Yasmin.
The teacher graded the students' paper last night. She returned them during class today. The teacher is antecedent and she is a pronoun.
Thank you. Number 4. Yes, come please.
Nancy took an apple with her to work. She ate it at lunchtime. Nancy is antecedent.
Okay.
And she is the pronoun. Teacher.
Just a minute. Look at the first sentence. Nancy took an apple with her. Look at the first sentence. Okay. This is the pronoun, right? It refers to Nancy. And she?
She ate.
She, is it a pronoun or antecedent? A pronoun. So underline it. We circle the antecedent. Thank you. Just a minute. Just a minute. She did not finish. Okay.
She ate it.
Yeah. She ate it. Yeah. It refers to apple. Good. So underline it and circle. Okay. Yes. What did you want to say?
Return them. students' papers.
Them is a pronoun and students.
She returned them. The teacher graded the students' paper. You are right. Thank you. Okay, them refers to students' papers. This is another one. Okay, good. Thank you. Next one. Yes, come, please.
Adobe Max, if it is the bottom frame, Adobe
Thank you. Number 6. Come, please.
Yuri's cat is named My Billy Alice. She is very independent. She never obeys Yuri. His dogs, on the other hand, obey him gladly. They like to please him. First, Yuri's cat is named. Now we got Yuri's cat.
Yuri's cat. This is the antecedent. Okay, good. Where is the pronoun which it refers to it? She. Now you look with the cat. If the gender, if the sex of the animal, male or female, is known and is given a name, they say he or she. Okay? This is something normal. Go on.
She never obeys Yuri. She also for Yuri's cat. His dogs.
His dogs, yeah, refers to
Yuri's cat.
to Yuri. Okay, to Yuri, not to cat. His dogs, Yuri's dogs. Okay, his dogs.
They, on the other hand, obey him gladly. On the other hand, obey him to Yuri also.
To Yuri, yeah.
They like to please him. They dogs.
And him,
His dogs.
him, Yuri. Him, Yuri. Good, thank you very much. Check your answers. Make sure that you got the right answers. You have the right answers. Let's move to the other exercise. Yeah, read. What does he want?
Choose the words in italics that are grammatically correct.
Yeah, he's giving us, yeah, 2 options. Go on.
Not. A number of native English speakers commonly use subject pronouns after and, even when the grammatically correct choice is an object pronoun.
Thank you. Now, what does that mean? What do we understand? Okay, what do we understand? In the first sentence, he says, a number of native speakers commonly use as subject pronouns after and, even when the grammatically correct choice is an object pronoun. Yeah,
Like
what does that mean?
Like in the first sentence.
Yeah.
The correct answer is an object pronoun me, but they may use and I.
That's right.
Subject
Yeah,
pronoun.
they use I, but we should say what?
Me.
Me. Now, my parents always read, okay, bedtime stories to my sister and I or and me. And why?
Me.
Why me, not I? Okay, it is object of the proposition. That's right. So, but native speakers usually use what?
I.
Okay, good. So, number 2. Who wants to make number 2? Yeah. Who wants to answer number 2? Yeah, come. Come, Yasmin. Do it.
just between you and
Mm-hmm.
and me, I think Mr. Lucas is going to lose her job.
Good. Thank you. Between you and me. Yeah, come.
Let's go to talk to him. I need to tell you and him.
To him. Good. Thank you. I need to tell you and. Thank you. Good.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, please come.
Mr. Rimitsky needs to know the truth. I'm going to tell Mr. Shanj and her the truth. And text to
Okay. What did you do? Okay. I'm going to tell Sheng and her. Okay. Thank you. And finally, yeah, come.
Alex introduced Sally and me to his
Cousin.
cousin from
Thank you. Check your answers again. Make sure that you have the right answer.
Yes.
Now look at the new exercise. Complete the sentences in each situation with pronoun for the word in italics. Situation, for example, situation 1. There is Sarah. I need to go to talk to her.
Yes.
Yeah. Come.
I need to go to talk to her. She and I.
Good. She and I. Thank you. Number 3. Quickly, this is an easy exercise. Yeah, come please.
I went to elementary.
Mm-hmm.
I went to elementary school with her brother and I.
And here.
And here, yes. Together, it means that we went together to her brother and her. I went with her, okay? I went with her brother and her, okay? Yeah, come please. Next one. Number 4.
Her parents are best friends with my parents.
Good, thank you. تفضلي.
She's getting married.
She's getting married next month.
This month and another friend and I are taking her
Yeah?
on a short trip before she married.
Before
Her marriage.
her marriage, okay? Okay, good. Her marriage. New ones. What about the others? We want new ones. Come again. Come again, please.
Being with her is a lot of fun. We laugh a lot.
Thank you.
Doctor.
Thank you, yeah? Come, please.
She has a good time with her friend.
Very good.
Can we put we?
She always has a good time with her friends. Situation 2. I'm not feeling well. I think I'd better stay at home today. Okay? My friends and... Come. Yes, come. Let she come. My friends and... I... Our local bank today. Clean the other words. Clean them, please. Okay, can you do the other one, number 9? Read it and do it. Try it. Try number 9.
The football often asks my friends and me to help them with various projects.
Okay, thank you. Good. My friends and me. Thank you. Number 10. تفضلي. Come.
But my friend would have to go without me.
Thank you. Do the other one, 11. Read it. I'd better.
I'd better call
My friend's son.
my friend's son.
Thank you. Good. And finally, the last one for today. Noor,
Victor.
you did enough today. Thank you very much. You.
Could I use your cell phone? I don't have it with me.
I don't have mine with me. Okay, I don't have my phone or mine. I don't have mine with me. Thank you. Thank you very much.